Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? Hope that you are very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Due to novel coronavirus or COVID-19, our teaching learning activities are hampered. For this situation, I am stay with you, Nayana Akhtar, assistant teacher in English, Niaz Muhammad High School, Brahmanbaria. Dear student, I am optimistic that you will watch the class regularly and continue your studies and note down the most important elements. Welcome to Niaz Muhammad Online High School. Okay, thank you. Now I shall present some pictures. Notice the pictures. Here is a bag, here is a tag, and a bag with a tag. A bag, tag, a bag with a tag. Dear students, can you guess what is our today's topic? Okay, thank you. Our today's topic is on tech question, English second paper for class 9 and 10. Thank you. Now I shall give you an example. Look at the example. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. What is this? What is this? Have you understood? It is a tech question. Okay. Dear students, after completing my lesson, you'll be able to define question tag, identify tag operators, apply tag, different use of tag. Okay. Dear students, now I shall discuss the definition of tag question. Look at the pictures and definition of tag question. Okay, there is a boy and there is another boy. The boy says, "You are bold too, aren't you?" It's a tag question. Tag means to add something with other thing. So a tag question is a question that is used at the end of a test statement to get the support from the listener. Okay, have you understood what is tag question? Okay, now I shall discuss about tag question operators. Dear students, notice the picture. What can you see in the picture? A man sitting in a chair operates a computer. So he is a computer operator. Tag question operators are am, is, are, was, were, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, have, has, had, must, ought to, dare, need. Do, does, and did. Do, does, and did are used in action verbs. Have you understood tag question operators? Tag question operator helps to make a tag question. Okay. Now I shall present a chart. Tag question basic or contraction form of the operators. Dear students, look at the chart and read the chart attentively. Okay. Dear students, there are some operators which help us to make tag question. Without three operators, am not equal aren't or ain't, shall not equal shan't, will not equal won't. The contraction form of the operators are same. You have to make the question without three operators. Amount, will not, shall not. The contraction form of the operators are same. Okay. Now I have present an example here. Look at the example. Nabil was my friend. Wasn't he? Here it is a tag question. Okay. Now I shall discuss how to form a tag question. Structure in positive statement. If the given statement is positive, the tag question will be negative. Here is an example. Sriji is a truthful girl. Isn't she? Here, Sriji is a truthful girl. This sentence is positive statement. The tag question is negative. The contraction form of operator is equal isn't. Okay. Now I have discussed structure in positive statement. Statement plus comma plus operator plus note plus subject. Pronoun. If the statement subject is noun, this will be changed into pronoun plus note of interrogation. Okay. Now I shall discuss structure in negative statement. If the given statement is negative, the tag question will be affirmative. The structure in negative statement are following. Statement plus comma plus operator plus subject noun pronoun plus note of interrogation. Dear student, here is an example. She is not my mother. This statement is negative. So the tag question is positive. Is she? Okay. Humaira is a smart girl. Humaira is a smart girl. Here this tag question is isn't she? Now I shall discuss how we do add tag if there is no operator in the sentences. If there is no operator in the sentence, you have to use do, does or did according to tense. Now I shall give some examples. Okay, notice the examples and notes. First one is my mother cooks very well. Here there is no operator. There is no operator. So you have to use do, does or did according to tense. This sentence is positive statement and there is no operator. So you have to use here doesn't because it's a present indefinite tense. Okay, this tag question is doesn't she. Next one, we play football regularly. Here there is no operator in this sentence and this sentence is present indefinite tense. So you have to use don't. Subject we plus note of interrogation. Last one, he went to market yesterday. Here also there is no operator. It's a simple past. So you have to use didn't. Didn't he? This tag question is didn't he? Dear students, notice notes. Okay. First one. If there is V1 with S oblique yes, add tag question with doesn't or does. Next one. If you find V1 without S oblique yes, add tag with don't or do. Last one, if you find V2, add tech with didn't or did as operator. Okay? Have you understood? Okay, thank you. Dear students, notice the picture. What can you see in the picture? A mother with her sweet baby. Okay? We know that every mother loves her child. There is an example, every mother loves her child. If every plus noun or nobody, somebody, anybody, none are present in the sentences as a subject in given statement, the take question subject will be they. Okay. Here every plus noun mother. So you have to use don't. And this pronoun is they. Okay. Okay. Now I shall discuss others rule. Everything, something, nothing, anything, etc. are present in a given statement as a subject. You have to use it instead of everything. Okay? Here is an example. Everything is okay. This tag question is isn't it? Okay, thank you. Exceptions. If you find s oblique yes after everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, somebody, someone, one, none, the above rules will not be effective. In that place, you have to add don't they or do they. Here is an example. The students, notice the example. Everyone respects him. Everyone respects him. This tag question is don't they. Okay? Nobody likes a man of bad temper. This tag question will be do they, because nobody is negative. There is no operators in this sentence. So if you have to use do or does or did as it is present, indefinite or simple present. So you have to use do and then subject they. They is used instead of nobody. Dear students, notice the roles. Never, rarely, seldom, hardly, barely and scarcely are given in a positive statement, or these are treated as negative though they appear to be positive in a given sentence or given statement. The take question will be positive take. Here are some examples. He never came again. The tag question will be did he? Why? Have you used did he? Here never is a negative word. Here is a negative word. So the tag question will be positive. Here this tag question is positive. Did he? Okay? Second one, she can rarely come these days. This tag question will be can she? Why? Have we have why have we used can she? Because rarely express negative meaning. So it appears to be positive. Okay. Third one, you hardly ever came late, did you? Next one, I barely know you, do I? Last one, you would scarcely expect her to come. Would you? Okay? Have you understood? Thank you. More exertions. Now I shall give you more exertions. Dear students, look at the pictures, look at the example and some roles. The students, you know that a few, a little always express affirmative meaning. Few and little express negative meaning, though they appear to be positive. Now I shall give you some examples. The students follow the examples. There is a little water in the jar. Here, a little is given in a statement. So, it expresses negative meaning. And it expresses affirmative meaning. So, you have to use take question negative. Okay? Isn't there? Okay? There is little water in the jar. Here, little is present. It expresses negative meaning. So, the take question will be positive. Okay? The take question will be is there. The take question will be is there. Okay? Thank you. Action or do verb. Dear students, you know that need is always used main verb as a main verb as a main need is only used as a model verb in negative sentence. On the other hand, need is always used as a main verb in affirmative sentence. Here need, it's a model verb. No, it's not a model verb. It's a main verb because this sentence is positive statement. So it is used as a main verb. So you have to use action verb do, does or did, as need is used as a present indefinite tense, simple present. So you have to use take question don't, subject I, and then the note of interrogation. Next one, she needs a pen. Here there is no operator. Needs is a main verb. Here it's not a model auxiliary verb. So you have to use doesn't. She. Why have you used doesn't? Here she is a third person singular number. So you have to use action verb doesn't, and the take question will be doesn't she. Okay? But in a negative sentence, need is always model verb. Just an example. Dear students, notice the example and follow it. You need not be worried. Here, need not. It's a negative statement. So, need is an operator or model verb. So, the take question is need you. Second one, I need not go there. The take question is need I. Okay? Thank you. I shall discuss take question in imperative sentence. You know that imperative sentences are formed by two ways. First one, V1 oblique don't, and second one, let. Okay? Thank you. Notice, now I shall give an example. Notice the example. Follow me. Here, follow is present form of verb. So, this take question will be will you or won't you? Will you or won't you? When An imperative sentence is formed with V1. The tag question will be will you or won't you. Okay? On the other hand, when an imperative sentence is formed with do not or don't, the tag question will be will you. Okay? Thank you. Dear students, I have given some examples. Notice the examples. Then I shall discuss about these roles. Okay. First one, let me say something. Here let it is an imperative sentence. Okay. When an imperative sentence is formed with let. After let, me, him, her, them are present in the given sentence, the tag question will be will you or won't you. Okay? Let me say something. The tag question is will you, because after let me is present here. Second one, let him go. Here let after let him is present here. So the tag question is will you. Let them enjoy the game will you. Expression in one place. When imperative sentence is formed with let us, the tag question will be shall we. Okay, thank you. Now I shall discuss tag question in exclamatory sentence. Dear students, you know that when an exclamatory sentence is formed with how or what with operators am, is, are, was, were, the tag question will be made in the following way. Given sentence plus comma plus operator plus not plus subject plus note of interrogation. Okay. Notice the example. How fine the bird is. The tag question is isn't it. How helpless the girl was. The tag question is wasn't she, because here is an operator was. The contraction form of was is wasn't, and the subject the girl. The girl is third person singular number, so it will be changed into pronoun. We know that the girl's pronoun is she. She. So the tag question is wasn't she. Okay, thank you. Okay, our lesson has been finished. Hope that you have understood the topic and you will practice at home more and more according to all board's questions. Okay, again I am reminding you, stay home, keep safe and sound. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.